Welcome. In this video, we're going to learn a little bit more about Karel. So this is Karel's world. We know that. Notice that it's not always an empty square world. Sometimes there are extra items like tennis balls and extra walls inside. So all of these highlighted areas are examples of walls. And Karel cannot walk through walls. So if Karel tries to move into a wall, Karel will crash. Another thing to note is that we can locate Karel's exact position in the grid using rows and columns. So another name for our rows that go horizontally are streets. And another name for our columns that go vertically are avenues. Here I have highlighted 5th Street, and here I have highlighted 8th Avenue. Another important part of Karel is understanding which direction Karel is facing. So Karel can face 4 different directions, and the image of Karel will look a little different depending on which direction Karel is facing. So here we have an image of Karel facing east. Then we have an image of Karel facing north. Here's Karel facing west. Notice that when Karel faces west, Karel is upside down. Okay, that's because it's just a straight rotation. And here is an image of Karel facing south. Oftentimes we will refer to different sides of Karel, and these sides will change depending on which direction Karel is facing. So for example, if Karel is facing east, then Karel's front is east. Karel's left would be north, and Karel's right would be south. So again, we're imagining from that bird's eye view. When we give Karel a turn left command, Karel turns 90 degrees and faces a different direction. For example, if Karel is facing east and we give Karel a turn left command, Karel will turn 90 degrees left, which makes Karel face north. If Karel is facing north and we use the turn left command, which direction will Karel end up facing? Well, Karel will turn 90 degrees to the left and Karel will be facing west. With that, we will go and write our second Karel program after you take a short quiz on this video. In the program, you will be asked to start with Karel on the left starting spot. Place 4 tennis balls in a square and end with the world on the right. So let's see this in the editor.